Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing all my Dyson devices with their detailed pros and cons. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we are going to be reviewing three devices today. First is the original Dyson Airwrap set. I got this one about 3 to 4 years ago. I have bought this with my own money. Next we've got the Dyson Airstrait, which the brand did send to me about 10 months ago. Next we've got the Dyson Coral, which again the brand did send to me but about 3 months ago. Nevertheless, nothing in this video is sponsored. I do use all three of them at least twice a week when I'm styling my thin and curly hair. So all of this is going to be from my personal experience on my hair type and in the weather conditions, that is Mumbai, super humid where I live. So your experience from the device can be totally different depending on your hair texture. So let's start with the Dyson Airwrap set. Now this is their oldest and the first version which I had gotten, and I did end up trying the newer Airwrap set as well, and I do like that one way more than this one. But since I have used this one very thoroughly, let's review it. So when you open the box, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 attachments, and you also get the device. Let's start with the blow dry attachment. I do like this quite a bit. I love it to dry my hair. It does nothing wrong. It's a great hair drying tool. I really like it. Next, we've got two brushes. This is the smoothing one, and I think this is called the firming one. Basically, it's supposed to blow dry your hair straight. I have used this multiple times. I don't like this as the finishing product. Basically, if I'm going to straighten my hair, before that I can use this, but I can't just use this and leave my hair as it is because it's a straightening blow dry which doesn't work on my curly hair. So if I use this, it will end up like a big poofy frizzy mess. So I always have to follow it up with a heat tool whenever I use this. So I used to use it quite a bit, but now I've stopped using it that much. Next, we've got a round brush attachment. I do like this because this is able to smoothen out the texture of my hair and give it a nice bounce and a curl. However, I personally find it a little difficult to use and like curl because I'm not very good at styling with a roller brush like this one. So I have used it a couple of times, but I only do it when I have a lot of time on my hands, so not very often. Next, we've got these barrels. These are the thicker ones which I don't ever use. You can see the difference also, like the print on this one is so much more evident as compared to this one because I don't use this one. My hair, again, because it's curly and it's super thin and it's not very famous for holding a curl. If I use anything loose, it will open up. For these curls also, I've used these thin barrels and they do last on my hair with product. If I use good enough mousse and hairspray and use it on wet modes, and like if I do everything which is quite time consuming and use a lot of product, it will last me a day. If I don't use anything, if I just do it on dry, straightened or blow dried hair, it will open up. You can see by the end of this video how my curl is lasted. Okay, the device itself comes in 3 speed modes, 3 heat modes and a cool shot as well. The air filters need to be cleaned quite often in this one actually because it does get quite blocked very easily in my opinion, and you get this little thing to kind of clean the filter with. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I'm okay using it. It doesn't feel like a workout when I'm using this device. It's completely normal. Now this set, while I do really see a lot of use case in this, but if you have my type of hair or if you're someone who wants to style only for special occasions, I won't recommend this because your curl will not last. So if you went to a wedding and you did all of this drama and all of this hard work, and if you went to the wedding, your hair might fall flat. Even in spite of all the products and all, I don't know the kind of sweat, the kind of humidity that you will be facing in a crowded environment unless it's super air conditioned. I won't recommend this, and I feel like it's a lot of work for just a special occasion. So if you're someone who needs to style your hair once a month or twice a month, go for a curling iron because I feel like your hair can afford the damage. I style my hair twice a week, which is why this makes sense because I need something. So even if during the shoot I'm curling my hair 3 times or 4 times, this is using air. It is not using heat, which I'm sure you guys know. If you regularly style your hair, this makes a lot of sense because it's going to prevent heat damage, which you will end up doing a lot of. But special occasions, absolutely not, don't recommend it. Next, we've got the Dyson Air Straight. By the way, the Dyson Airwrap and the Air Straight you cannot travel with. If you bought it in Asia, you can only use it in Asia. If you bought it in Europe, it will not work in Asia because of voltage differences. So where you are going to stay the most is where you should buy your Dysons from. Don't buy it from another country just because it's cheaper, because it will not work in your country, basically. This device is lightweight, but I just want to show you how big the charger is. So because of how big the charger is, there are only 2 spots in my house where I can actually fit this and curl my hair. Otherwise, it's a very big charger. It's a bulky device. I do love Dysons because they come with really long wires. So thoda dur rahega, so you can kind of use it. Speaking of the Dyson Air Straight, it comes like this. You can unlock it, switch it on. It self cleans the filter, which is great. Then you get a wet mode and a dry mode, so you can directly use this on your wet hair or on your dry hair. This also has temperature settings, so you can choose the temperature of heat or cold that you want to use. And basically how this works is it straightens your hair by giving you hot air through these vents. Basically there are no plates here. This doesn't heat up. When you put it together, basically the air flows and flattens your hair out, making it really straight. So when this initially launched, I did go to the store to try it out because the Airwrap wasn't straightening my hair. It wasn't helping with the texture of my hair. So every time I would blow dry my hair with the Airwrap, then I would straighten it with a heat straightener, and then I would curl it with the Airwrap. So I was like, I need something which will straighten my hair without heat damage. So I did try it out, but at that time, I don't know why I didn't like it. Basically, I tried it and I felt like my hair was becoming puffy, and I just tried it on one strand. I didn't try it obviously on my full head of hair. So I wasn't convinced, and I thought hawa se mere hair straighten nahi honge, so I completely skipped it. Then Dyson reached out to me and they are like, hey, would you like to try this product? I said, I know it doesn't work. Like, I know it doesn't work on my hair. And they are like, try it out. We think it does and it will work on your hair. And I did, and I'm so glad I did, because on wet hair, drenched wet hair, I just go over this and it blow dries and straightens my hair at the same time, and it actually works. Like, it actually works. And I'm so glad that Dyson didn't as a brand be like, oh, she's neglecting our product, or didn't get offended basically by hearing, oh no, they actually believed in their product and they're like, you need to try it out. So the first time I used it, my hair was good. The only issue that I face with this now is that because this is like, I want to say half a finger long, right? So when I start, the airflow starts from here. So this part, top part of my hair doesn't get straight. All you gotta do for that is put it together, like put this together, the air will flow, and you just like kind of flatten your tops like this. And if I'm not in front of the camera, that is more than enough for me. But if I'm in front of the camera and I want my hair to be like perfect, then I'll go over these bits like this much with a hair straightener. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do. But that is when I want to be in front of the camera and my hair needs to look like perfect. If not, this is a great device. If you're someone who likes to blow dry your hair, poker straight. Say you can't do the this and the nothing. Only poker straight hair if you want without damaging your hair. Definitely check this out. Like, spoiler alert, I think this is my favorite Dyson product in the video. Like, actually is, because whether I straighten my hair or whether I curl my hair with the Airwrap, I always like to flatten out the texture of my hair using this product. And it makes it so easy. It barely takes me like 20 minutes to blow dry and straighten my hair at the same time. So I really like this product. Next, we've got the Dyson Coral. I know this is not new product, but it is new in my collection, so I'm very excited about it. Basically, this also stays locked. You can open it, you turn it on. It comes in 3 heat settings. Basically, you've got 165, 185 and 210. It barely takes 2 seconds to heat up. And once it's hot, it's like hot and you can keep going. As you've noticed, this doesn't have a cord. I think this is the only cordless hair straightener in the market. So this can fit in your handbag. You can, if you're carrying a tote bag, you can carry this around and straighten your hair on the go, which is fabulous. This is also the only Dyson Dyson device that you can carry in the flight because the cord is not involved. You can straighten your hair from anywhere. Basically, there's a flight mode right here, so you can carry it in your carry-on as well. It's a great device. One con that I feel majorly with this device is that the battery time is very low. I'll straighten my entire head of hair probably only once or 1.5 times in how much battery the product can do. This is what the charger of it looks like, by the way. Obviously, while straightening, you can keep it connected. If you're at home, you can keep it connected like to the socket and you're good to go. This also comes with like a wireless charging kind of a thing, so that is also really cool, but you can't travel with this basically. So if you were traveling with this, you'll probably be able to straighten your hair once, maybe 1.5, 2 times depending on your hair length and width. Apart from the fact that this is cordless and it becomes very easy to do, you know, those straightener curls, which I still don't know how to do with like a normal straightener. I am not able to. With this, I am able to do it because like it's cordless. But other than that, I don't know what sets this straightener apart. Like a normal Alan Truman type of iconic type of straightener would be 3,000, 4,000 rupees. I don't know why you would pay that much money for the same hair straightener, because this is also using heat. This is also temperature controlled. So I don't know what sets this product apart. It is a good straightener. It's a great straightener. Nothing wrong with it. I just can't justify the price point, because if you feel कि ये ज़्यादा गर्म होता है and it's faster, it's not. The same strand of hair which will take you 2 passes, this will also take you the same 2 passes. It's convenient, it's not heavy, yes, but like neither are my other straighteners. So I don't get why this is so expensive, but it is a good product. I'm not gonna deny that. And that's about it. Just reiterating that this is my personal experience on my personal hair type and my personal environment and my use case. You might not want to straighten or, you know, style your hair twice or thrice a week like I do. So think about all of those things before you make any decisions. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know if you have any other questions. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.